Hello everybody. First of all, we need to start the WAMP server as we have used PHP to extract data from API. So we need to start the WAMP server. This is the part of our application. This is the application. We have used www.eventful.com and the API which we have used is Events API. These are the markers or locations which we have by default set as keyword as music. So it is showing us all the locations where events related to music are being held or will held in future. First of all, we have to enter a particular keyword. If we didn't enter any keyword, then it will give an error, that is alert, please enter the keyword. Let us suppose we enter music as a keyword. We haven't entered any location, so if we search by only music, we will get output which was by default the same one. Now suppose we have changed the location and we need to find the events which have music as a keyword, and we need to search it in Florida. And this is the within keyword in which it will act as a radius, and it will search all the events with the music keyword across Florida with this much mile radius. Suppose it is 0 by default, and this is the events in Florida which have keyword as music. And suppose we need to search by date as well. These are the drop down list in which we can select all future event, past events, today, the event which is held today, last week, this week, next week. Suppose we search by past in Florida only. Search. So these are the events which had held in past. And suppose we need to give our date, so we have to select others, and this is the date. We have to give a range of dates starting from and starting till. We can select this by using, suppose we need to search from 22nd to 28th. It's a 1 week time span, and we need to search in Florida only. Then this is the output that we will get. These are the list of events occurring in Florida between 22 and 28. And if we go on this, we will get Jimmy Buffet. Go on this with the casting crown, and we can go to the links by clicking on these. No, I'm interested. So Eventful, we can go all the information on this page. Going back to our application, we have basically these are the options by which we can filter our input, and we can get the output as we want. And we can order by popularity or by date or by relevance. Suppose if we clicked on order and we forgot to select any radio button of popularity, date or relevance, if we go on search, we'll get an alert that please check order. So search by this, and direction ascending or descending, we can search any of this. If we go on search, you can get this as an output. These are audits. And next, this is the maturity level, all normal or safe, I mean adult or up to the age limit, just all. And the thing is, we are getting only 30 output. We have set it by default, that is 30, and we are getting only 30 events output, which I guess is enough. And suppose now we need to change the keyword. Suppose we write this as bicycle, and we need to search it in New York within 10 mile radius. Suppose we inject the date, uncheck the order, uncheck the direction, uncheck the maturity level, and we go on by search. Now we get these much events that are related to fashion in New York and 10 mile radius of it. And these are all the links of those events. You can go on this link, we can see basically these are the database stored in Eventful server website, and we are getting to those pages from there. We can search it by some other keyword, say dance. Location, let us change in India. India, radius 0, let us say date, all, and such. So our output is over India. We have these much events in India related to dance. First of all, we have contemporary dance. This one we have Garba workshop. These are dance and education training program. This is 8th annual winter fest. These are all the events that has dance as a keyword in them. Suppose we now search by singing. We didn't select any location. We need to see the singing event across all over the globe. So we have these much events related to singing. This one is Australia, naked boy singing. And this one we have LA Wells Tees signs, Northwest Soundmans. These all are the events that are related to singing all over the world. This is our application. By this application, a user can search any related event he wants to search about. If he has a keyword, then he can search over here and he can find the location of those events. He can find the further details of those events if he is interested or not. With the help of Google API version 3, we have plotted and we have used Events API from eventfield.com to link those data over Google Map. That's all. Thank you.